As we take a closer look at hurricane season, let's bring in Scott Paget, keeping an eye on what could be the third named storm on this, Scott, just the first day of the season.
That's right, and if we do get the third named storm, that will be the earliest that's happened in quite some time. Actually, the earliest that's happened on record. If we make it past June 5th before that named storm, then it'll be the second earliest. So looking at what's going on the satellite and radar right now, we can see the tropics. It's pretty active. As you take a look, we now have tropical depression number 3 with the winds around that center of circulation trying to come together, now sustained at 30 miles per hour, and that center's moving to the west-northwest at 7. It's going to do that same thing. It's going to meander its way around, and the forecast models are showing some strengthening and possibly reaching tropical storm strength as soon as tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. And if that happens, then that will be a tropical storm Cristobal. It's going to meander its way around then in the southwest Gulf through Wednesday into Thursday, eventually then lifting its way east-northeast and then possibly into the central Gulf by this weekend. After that, too hard to tell if it's going to have any impacts on the U.S. coastline, but it's definitely something we will watch throughout the week and, of course, adjust any forecasts as needed. Active season forecasted, as Doug mentioned, named storms from NOAA 13 to 19. The average is about 12, so above average. Of those 13 to 19, 6 to 10 could be reaching hurricane strength, and of those, 3 to 6 being major hurricanes. So that's what we're looking at as we track the tropics here. I've been tracking that mix of sun and clouds, some rain down towards the southwest, down near Eastland and near Campeche, continue to make its way from the southeast to the northwest. So spotty shower chances possible down there. We're now overcast at DFW at 84 degrees with our winds out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. So into tonight, temperatures holding in the mid 80s for us. We'll see another chance of some showers in the forecast going into tomorrow at a 30% chance. 85 degrees will be your high temperature. Notice on Wednesday, maybe a few morning showers around for us, overcast skies, but we do make it to 90. Then a ridge of high pressure builds in and we feel the June heat. 95 Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, I have some showers in the forecast, possibly because of Cristobal or what could be Cristobal. We'll take a look at that throughout the week, but definitely make sure you have the sunscreen on this weekend. It's going to be a hot one.